Hello friends, good morning. The Children's Museum Phonics and Grammar with Fun um, is going to do today an interesting activity with the short vowel sounds. So let's revise the short vowel sounds: a, eh, e, o, a. So as you can see, we have 5 bowls, and on each bowl we have written a vowel sound: a, eh, e, o, and a. Here are some picture cards. The child has to look at the picture and place them in the correct vowel bowl. So let's have the first picture. G. This is a gun. So what vowel sound do you hear is a. So in the a. This is pan. A. Hit. E. Hut. Top. Pan. Fat. Win. Hug. Cab. Bed. We have mop. So this way the child can do the vowel sorting by recognizing the correct pictures and placing them into the correct vowel bowls. This activity helps a teacher or a parent to know if the child is clear with the vowel sounds or not. Hope you enjoyed this activity with your children. Next, till that time, bye bye.